Hey everyone, welcome back to my workbench. Still working on this troublesome CDX here. Replaced all the caps. I've replaced the optical pickup once, and for some reason I can't get it to work with this pickup. I don't know if it's, I'm not sure what I'm missing here. I removed the solder on there like you're supposed to. Visually it looks identical to the optical pickup that's in there right now. It's a little bit confused, and I'll show you here. Let's see if it turns on with the probably could clean that. Let's see. I have cartridge in there right now. I'm going to show you on my test monitor. Really nice and clear. Really nice and clear now. But I'll show you when I go to run here. That works. So turn it off, and hopefully my battery doesn't die. Take a cartridge out. This still works. I mean, it works with the. I put the original head back in here, so if I disable there's a little switch here to make sure there's a disk in there. It's checking disk, and it's loading up. So might be a case I just leave the original, or maybe do a little adjustment on there. I don't know. So right now it's loading up. I don't know if you can hear it through the camera, but it's loading. I just don't know how fast the original load speed was either. I think there's a way to do some adjustments. And I see it's loading up right now. It's almost there. I can see it. Still loading. I don't know the original load speed. I wish it did. If it's too slow, what I'll do is there's a couple adjustments on here I can go through. See, it's taking a while to load. It still hasn't hit the load screen yet. See, it's accessing. It gets there, but it's slow. I just don't know what's appropriately slow and what's not. Alright, so yeah, make sure this is the right pickup, or what's going on here. It doesn't make any sense to me, because I did everything you're supposed to do, and it's not working right. So that's it for now. I'm going to dig into some more, and if I get a chance, I'm going to go in and work on that Nomad. I still haven't got a response yet on what I'm doing wrong with the joystick, so I'm going to have to figure it out myself. So that'll probably be the next video, and I'll talk and figure out what's going on with this pickup. But a short one tonight, and I'm going to start doing some homework and figuring out what's going on here. I'm kind of confused. Thanks for watching.